Welcome to Globe, Venture Vibe's AI-powered global market access intelligence platform. If you're exploring a new international market, Globe helps you understand opportunities before investing time and money. Let's get started. First, visit globe.venturevibe.tech and create your free account. Registration only takes a few seconds. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. After verification, you'll complete your company profile. Here you'll enter information about your company such as your company name, website, home country, industry, who your customers are, how you reach them, your annual revenue, company size, founding year, and export experience. These details allow Globe to generate market intelligence tailored specifically to your business. Click Explore a Market. Choose the country you want to evaluate. Within seconds, Globe generates your personalized market brief. Let's quickly explore what you'll find inside. The overview gives you a snapshot of the country. Market shape. This section estimates the market opportunity for your product. You'll discover the estimated total addressable market, expected growth rate, market maturity, and an explanation of why this opportunity fits your business. Trade and entry. Here you'll understand the commercial relationship between countries. The report highlights bilateral trade volumes, sector-specific trade data, and useful insights that can influence your market entry strategy. Regulatory. Before entering a new market, compliance matters. Competition. Understand who you're competing against. Globe identifies relevant competitors already operating in the market, explains what they do, and evaluates their competitive threat level. Ecosystem. Market entry isn't just about research, it's also about connections. Here you'll discover important distributors, technology partners, business channels, trade fairs, conferences, and ecosystem organizations that could support your expansion. Signals and incentives. Stay informed about what's happening in your target market. This section highlights recent market developments, industry signals, government initiatives, available grants, incentives, and acceleration programs relevant to your sector. Finally, Globe helps you ask the right strategic questions. Everything you've just seen is available through the free version of Globe, giving you a quick, data-driven overview of your target market. Our Venture Vibe team will help you evaluate your target market, connect with trusted local experts, and build the right market entry strategy for your business. Start exploring today with Globe and make your next international move with confidence.